Detailing 101, waterless washing. Hi, I'm Ivan and this is DIY Detail. Today we're going to explore waterless washing. Waterless washing is not rinseless washing, two very different technologies. And waterless washing is not for every situation. The car has to be not too dirty, not any grit or any mud on it. If you've been off-roading with your Jeep, probably not a good candidate for you. If you're just going to a car show, your car's been washed recently, it just has a bit of dust or pollen on it, then this is the tool for you. Also, collector's car in a showroom, etc. Again, a bit of dust, that's what this is for. This contains ceramic, polymers, and surfactants, so it's going to help keep your car cleaner longer, and at the same time is safe to take that dust off the vehicle. To use the DIY Detail Waterless Wash, we use the sprayer and liberally apply to the surface. We want to allow the product to cover everywhere and at the same time emulsify the dirt, breaking it down. You want to give it time to encapsulate. While you're giving it time, you need to prepare your towels. Now, normally when we have microfiber towels like these, they're folded in 4. We're going to fold them in 6. So fold in half and then in thirds. That does a couple things for us. It gives us more sides to use. Secondly, it gives us additional padding. Less pressure points means less possibility of scratching. Now that it's emulsified the dirt, we take the towel and we roll the towel up as we're going across. So we're lifting the dirt off the surface. Inspect the towel, and as you can see, it has a bit of dirt on it, so I'm going to flip to another side. Now this car is at the limit of what we can do with a waterless wash. I'm applying no pressure to the towel, and you can see every stripe that I've done. So once again, go to a fresh side to finish this off. Once we've washed the whole surface, then we take our other towel and buff the ceramic to a nice high glossy shine. And there we have it. Now, waterless wash can also be used for cleaning your wheels, cleaning your glass, and cleaning your interior. For cleaning glass, same procedure. Apply to the surface, let it dwell for a few seconds, bring our towel to a fresh, clean side, and the same procedure, so starting with the towel flat and rolling it up, so we're exposing a clean side every time. And then we take our dry towel and buff to a streaks-free shine. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas about waterless wash, please leave them below, and we'll see you in the next one.